So namaskar, welcome to my cutedraws channel. I have a bike, so that one will modify. This one I buy. When you buy from the Amazon or another shopping mall, then original price is 28,000. Now I want to change the bike's parts because the bike's speed is also low and it is not fun in riding. I bought it and I also ride on it. For that, now I'm going to change the batteries. So these two are the batteries. One has damage, so I want to change the batteries too. So I will change everything of the bike and also the handles of the bike. ये मैंने एक नया मोटर खरीदा है, इसको चेंज करके ये वाला लगाएंगे, ठीक है? तो इसका प्राइस है 4,999 और ये एक गियर मोटर है और ये 350 वाट्स का है और ये ना 110 kg वाले इंसानों को उठा सकता है। ये है 24 वोल्ट का लिथियम आयन बैटरी विद चार्जर भी एक साथ। तो अब ये खोलते हैं। ये इसका प्राइस है 9,600। ये रहा, धीरे से रख देते हैं। ये रहा लिथियम बैटरी, धीरे से रखते हैं। बाइक के लिए और क्या क्या खरीदा वो सब देखते हैं। So this is the scortel and another this one horns, switch and batteries. Much more things have this one, guiding lights. These are emergency security, and these are the lights, horns, lights, bulb lights, and one switch. So let's take out the batteries from the bike. Now let's take out the cover and take out the seat. ये मेरा पुराना व्यू है। ये वाला ज्यादा दिन नहीं दिखा ना, इसलिए मैंने एक नया सा खरीद लिया। तो ये वाला है टीवीएस का, टीवीएस टायर्स इधर लिखा हुआ है। बाइक का हैंडल बड़ा करने के लिए ये वाला है, ये वाला ठीक है। ये वाला पीछे का सीट बढ़ाने के लिए ये वाला हम लोगों ने वेलिंग किया है। Also want to get up the height of the bike, so I put the spring and our handle part from it and stuck this one to make the height of the handle. So it is, I just lock it with nut. One is done. Now the next one we do slowly. Now the handle we get it up on it. The nuts we put down on that thing and we stuck it with the nuts. We newly put new one motor and we change the old one. So let's give the connection of the bike's wires. अब हम ये लिथियम बैटरी बाइक में लगा रहे हैं। Lithium battery is very heavy, so we stuck it with gears. These are the wires from which we just stuck the lithium. हम लोग इस लिथियम बैटरी से मोटर को चलाएंगे, उसी के साथ हम लोग इस बैटरी इंडिकेटर को भी लगाएंगे। तो इसके पास में जो ये बैटरी है, इसी से हम लोग जैसे हॉर्न, इंडिकेटर हेडलाइट, सिक्योरिटी अलार्म, ये सब इसी से चलाएंगे. Now I am stucking the lights of the bike. The lights one, the wires should be taken out and put the nut inside it and roll it over. Then second one also same, means all our lights should be same. And now forward is done. Okay. So let's give this one means security alarms. Now we have stuck this security alarm. We just put the chain, we opened the chain that time. Now let's stuck it again and we again paste it with the bike. So now we give little bit of push towards the back. This is the brake light. Now we stuck it in here. And there one hanging place, so in there I put it. The wires are given outside. That one I put it and stuck it with it. And now one light. I brought a light from the car, means it's car's light. At the night time I needed to see. So now forward light I had done already, you see. Now I am giving the back side lights. This is the headlight and this is the battery indicator. Means wire connection I am doing. This is a wire connection. We give it with cello tape to not to test with another wire. Our switches wire joinings are completed. So let's check it. Let's give the headlight first. Yes, it's closed. And let's give the indicator. So turn the another. The backlight. Let's see. This one the brakes and this one the battery indicators. These two are wire, so we will join it together. Then when we give this brake, then this one will give the horn. So it is joined. So this is the another lights wire. So this one we stuck to the controller indicators. We have stuck it in here both. So with the pink wire, the red means plus and with the black means black one minus. इस सिक्योरिटी अलार्म में ये वाला वायर हम लोग लगाएंगे. ये हो गया. और ये एक वायर है. इस वायर में हम लोग स्विच लगा देंगे. ये रहा स्विच के अंदर इसे रख देंगे. लग गया. इसके बाद हम लोग इसे टाइट कर देंगे. नेक्स्ट वाला भी सेम है. ये वाला हम लोग टाइट कर देते हैं. Look how clearly I am showing. तो अब हम लोग स्विच बॉक्स ये सब खोलेंगे. Again in there, or else I cannot stuck it now. Again when I attach it in there, I give the switches another part, sir. So now we do the testing. This is the pen drive. We stuck in here. Now let's see. Let's give the switch. Yes, it's closed in the red. Now the security check. This is sir. Now so this is the security. When somebody will touch it, then it will make sound. Okay. तो अंदर का बर्स लगाना हो गया. अब हम लोग ऊपर का बर्स लगाएंगे. So the bikes all modifying is completed. So this is the bike key and this is the remote, the lock on, this one and this one volume lessing one and this one volume growing one. The bike is completed. Now let's check it. Much more big shoe station, right? You guys feel much more big. This one. Safety kits. It's that way. For using the bike in the road. Now let me wear my shoes. So let's go on the road. Look how nicely I am going on the road and it is speed also. So it is very fun in riding. Now look at that.